On my last video, I talked about the things you should know before you start a YouTube channel. On this video, I will show you how you can quickly shoot your video and edit your video, like I did with this video. This is what I do. I read the script from my laptop and say it on the camera, just like this. There are many videos on YouTube where you can learn how to set up your YouTube channel. But on my video, I will tell you, this is what you see after I edit the video. There are many videos on YouTube where you can learn how to set up your YouTube channel. But on my video, I will tell you what are the things you should keep in mind before you start your YouTube channel. Once you finish shooting the video, import those video files to your editing software. In my case, it's Filmora. First thing you should do before you start editing is convert the video file to MP3 format in order to edit the audio and remove the background noise. How you can do it is press export, go to MP3, then go to settings, select the highest sample rate and highest bit rate, then press OK, then press export. After the conversion is complete, open another software which is called Audacity, where you can remove the background noise. You drag the MP3 file to this software. After you imported the MP3 file on this software, go to view and zoom that portion which you want to edit. After you zoom the track, the portion you want to edit, you select that part, go to effect, go to noise reduction. Under noise reduction, you will see get noise profile. Click on that, then select the whole file. Then again go to effect, go to noise reduction. Under noise reduction, you will see step 2. Under step 2, there are 3 filters: noise reduction, sensitivity, frequency smoothing. Adjust those filters according to your need. If you want to check the file, press preview. You can listen to it. Once you are satisfied, press OK. Once the noise reduction is applied, go to file, go to export, and always export the file as WAV format. Once the export is done, import that WAV audio to your video editing software. Then mute the video files. The next important step is to adjust your video's color. There are some preset options from which you can choose, or you can adjust it according to your need. You can adjust the exposure, brightness, the color. Once you're satisfied with it, press OK. Then start your editing process. The most common editing style in YouTube is jump cut, which I have used in this video. In order to make a good jump cut, look at the audio file. You will see some tall buildings and some flat lines. Once I stop talking, you will see flat line. But on my video, I will tell you what are the things you should keep in mind before you start your YouTube channel. As soon as the building drops, split that portion. Go to that portion of the video where I start talking again. You will see a tall building arising. Split that portion. Then delete that portion which is in between them. How to set up your YouTube channel. But on my video, I will tell you what are the things you should keep in mind before you start your YouTube channel. So here you go, the editing is done. Like this, edit the entire video. After you finish editing, you can adjust what you want to add, what you want to remove. In this portion, I am talking about ring lights. I want to show the audience how ring light looks like. So in order to do that, I have shot another video of ring light, and I'll drag that video on this software. Once it's done, I'll cut that portion of the video which is showing the ring light. Then I'll bring that video on top of the audio where I'm talking about it. I can add pictures too. I have talked about Casey Neistat, so I have put his picture on my video, and I'll resize that image at this left hand corner. On this video I talked about many points and I want to leave some titles before I start talking on that particular subject. So in order to do that, I'll go to titles, I'll choose the text. There are many options. I'll choose ones which I feel looks nice. Once I choose the text, I'll write whatever I want to say. Once it's done, I'll repeat that step many times. The last thing I want to do is I'll add my logo. I have created this logo beforehand and I have used that in all the videos I have posted. So I'll press the left click and drag it for the entire video. Then resize the logo and drag it to the right hand top corner of this video. So once it's done, I'll press export, go to settings, choose the best quality, select the bitrate I want for this video, select the sample rate and bitrate for the audio. Once I'm happy with it, I'll press OK and press export, and it's done. Hopefully you have learned something from this video, and if you have liked this video, kindly press the like button, and if you have not subscribed yet, press the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you can know about the new videos I post in future. And if you can, kindly share this video with your near and dear ones. Okay, thank you.